people, it's Dom from Payday Pickups and I'm back with another video. In today's video we are visiting a clothing manufacturer in Turkey. We both wanted to see the process of how the clothes are made as well as the working conditions. This was also filmed over a year ago if you're all wondering why I look so young. So YouTube shows me that 80% of you that are watching aren't subscribed to my channel, so if you have enjoyed any of my videos, could you please do me a favour and smash that subscribe button. But let's get into it. So here's the gaff. Got a little coffee. Look at this bathroom. Sit lighting. Got the print. Hangers. Here he is.
I don't know how to do this without my lover. She looks good in a sundress, I look good on an album cover. Did somebody say red wine all summer? Ain't got much in common with feds, but struggle to do this without my stunner. And she's
so we finally arrived. We just checked into the hotel and it's currently 9 PM. So we're gonna go explore, grab some food and just see what it's saying. So it's a very late dinner and then tomorrow we've got a busy day. Before mine.
The material of the original cargoes or the new material near here? Don't look at colour.
Oh. First stop was the offices. Here we got to speak to the owners who walked us through lots of different fabrics, colours and swatches. There was honestly so many. These are two fabrics. Got a 306 GSM and then a 500. This one's super heavyweight. Next stop was the fabric storage house. This is where they store all the different types of fabrics used for the clothing. They're in these massive rolls. Rolls of material everywhere. Next we hit up the denim production line. It's honestly crazy how many different people touch one garment of clothing.
It depends on the unit. It could be multiple. See how the machines are different to how a hoodie's stitched. They're different. You couldn't make t-shirts and denim in the same way.
What? The craftsmanship makes you appreciate clothing so much more and the machinery was so interesting. Next we moved on to the denim showroom. We went through some denim swatches and showcased all of the old Remedy pieces of denim. The details are so sick, from the distressing to the leather patch on the back. Also a unique fact, all denim starts off in this colour and they use a mix of washes and dyes and enzymes to turn it into this colour. So today we're literally just going around on the Lime scooters, just finding photo spots, just exploring the whole of Izmir. Look at this photo spot we just found.
Yeah. Blueberry, Burberry, button-up. Tan skin, mixed race, buttercup. Canada weather, got a bundle.
How sick this viewpoint is. There's a football match here, the whole view, the whole city of Izmir, and then literally the water.
She hit my phone, she wanna, whoa. Too bad was you know they roll. Getting hot because of lows, and I only hold you closer cause it's cold. Feelings we never do show, I give you some X and O. Yeah, I had to hit the road, I had to go. I'm eating pasta with the truffle.
Right, so listen to this. Listen to this. So, right, no one knows why we've come to Italy. I mean, to Turkey, right? So we come to Turkey, and we've basically just been taking the piss out of each other all night. And obviously people come to Turkey to get veneers done, yeah? So I've put this story up right here, and the Turkish brand that I tagged in it has actually reposted it on the story, so everyone believes that I've surprised him with getting veneers for his birthday.
My teeth are fine anyway, my teeth are normal, this prick's put on the story.
So you see this right here, all these bags full of gravel that they use for the stone wash. So they blow up the denim with this machinery and spray the jeans with dye, bleach or enzymes to achieve specific washes and different colours on the denim. The next machine is how they achieve permanent creases in the denim. They scrunch up the denim and heat press it with this machine to hold the crease. Next was the sickest machine. Have you ever wondered how they distress jeans? Well, watch this.
that's where the laser is, but then of course when it's washed, all that opens up.
Oh, so when it washes, it opens up?
Of course, yeah, that will open.
They can literally laser any design onto a piece of denim in a matter of seconds. The detail is so sick. Next was the washing process. These have to be the biggest washing machines I've ever seen. They fill these up with pumice stones which act as sandpaper on the jeans, removing some of the dyes present to create a faded effect, which is why they're called stone wash jeans. Then the final process is the big tumble dryers.
I'm actually so impressed with this shit. Seeing all this in person is crazy. And yeah, amazing.
One of the factory owners treated us to traditional Turkish dinner, starters, main, dessert and Turkish tea. It was honestly amazing. We then went to the apparel warehouse. This machine is used to map the fabric pattern of each of the pieces of clothing onto a big sheet of paper. The computer ensures the least amount of wastage. The sheet template has all the components: the body, the sleeves, the pockets and cuffs. Rolls of fabric are then loaded onto this machine and you slide down the conveyor belt which slowly rolls out the fabric.
Oh, so that lays it down?
The material was obviously bigger. It would cut it and then go back, cut it, come back.
They then cut around the stencil to create the part of the pattern. They usually use around 20 plus layers of fabric at once. The workers then sew these pieces together to create t-shirts, hoodies and jackets ready for printing or embroidery.
Hey, the smoke got me talking in Dutch. Appealing these business or what?
We've just rented a car and we're going to do a little road trip. He's going to drive for 3 hours inside the road.
I drew the short straw.
He doesn't trust me driving because I've only been driving for like 2 years.
Brand new.
Cut that.
It's a new car day.
Yes, I like the rhyme.
We started the road trip now. The only problem is you can't get 4G in the whole of Turkey, so we're literally just guessing where it is. Like, we know it's east, but it's a 3-hour drive away. Just completely guessing. This car is rapid though.
What's that? It actually goes.
Energetic, poetic and athletic. You know I get down and dirty when it's time to set it. I'm tearing through, clean your scene like ammonia. I drown you.
So we're gonna aim to hit there by like 3 hours and a half. It's basically these mad hot springs. First service station, look at it, it's literally in the middle of nowhere. Mountains and everything. At least the weather's banging, it's actually quite hot.
It's clear day.
Oh my god. He's tied up. Oh my god.
Life force came forth just to show us crucial. Lyrical style ain't what it used to. Microphone check 1, 2. I hit the.
It's a bit hard.
Imagine if this guy was funny.
Right,
Well, right.
Yeah, you need to spin that right wheel round. No, the fucking.
Got this big sausage. Yo, who goes in and just buys one big fuck off salami sausage? Salami? Salami.
What did you just say?
I said, who goes into the shop? And
Salumi.
I don't know if you want to cook this, you know.
atmosphere. Give MCs visions of comics. Technique.
So we finally made it. It took us around 4 hours in total. But look behind us, it literally looks like snow. There are so many stray dogs. Right, so we didn't realise to get on the white, you have to take your shoes off them toes.
They're like gooey. Oh mate, walk down here.
Right, so we're finally on top Pamukkale, and you have to take your shoes off. So look at this, got our toes out.
I believe Jehovah Jireh. I believe there's heaven. I believe in war. I believe a woman's temple gives her the right to choose, but baby don't abort.
What do you think of that then? Very good. Yeah, I literally can't hack standing on like stones, like a pebble beach. That's literally what it felt like the whole way until you got into the water. It was warm though, which was...
When you're walking up at first, it's like a cold surface, like you're walking on like outdoor.
Like on concrete,
yeah, but freezing cold. And obviously the higher you get up, the warmer it is, but they're bastards, they won't let you wear your shoes.
Woman's temple gives her the right to choose, but baby, don't abort. I believe that marriage isn't between a man and woman, but between love and love. And I believe you when you say that.
Probably one of the weirdest places, but most beautiful place at the same time. I'd love to go back in summer, but look at this sunset. Took the nice drive back, but that is just stunning. Stunning!
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 But you must believe in something, something.
But overall, I hope you enjoyed the vlog. I hope you got some insight on how clothing is actually made and how many different people touch one item of clothing, the different processes, the dyeing process, the cutting process. Honestly, it was like going on a school trip to a clothing factory. And if you did enjoy the video, make sure to smash that subscribe button. It really means a lot. Drop a comment if you have any questions talking about manufacturing, if there's anything you didn't understand. And if you want to see more daily content, make sure to follow me on Instagram. I post daily fit pics, fashion videos, lookbooks, tips and tricks on how to dress and get cheaper clothing. I'll see you on the next one. Peace.